Make a great choice today with the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system. Come see the car for yourself.